Good morning students. In first period we find that the fall of a Troy part 1. In that lesson we find that how the king Helen eloped with that king prince Paris, and after that the war between the Greek and Troy was held here, having a too much long time, having a 10 years. The soldiers and the warriors become so much tired for attending this type of war and for living so much time away from their houses. They are so longing to go to home and also spend their time with the family members. And so our great leader, the Greek leader Odysseus, who was very cunning, who was very brilliant and who was very brave, he was a Greek leader. One idea came in his mind and he says that we have to achieve success not by force but by the trick. He says that it is difficult for us to achieve success over them by only fighting with the Troy people or the Trojans. We didn't achieve success because some brave soldiers also there in the company of that Troy, in that city of Troy also, and it is not possible for her to achieve success over them. And so they started following one different idea. When he tell his idea to the king Menelaus accepted, and they started to follow it. And for that they prepare a beautiful wooden horse. It's not a small wooden horse, it's so much big that maybe one time 8 or 10 people entered into the stomach of that horse can easily sit into that horse. Like that, a big wooden horse they prepare. And Menelaus, Odysseus and other leaders were sit inside that horse. That horse was so much beautiful that whoever looked towards it so much hypnotized by looking this type of nice beautiful horse. And after that they started implementing their trick. One morning when the Trojans woke up, and they from last 10 years whenever they woke up they come outside and started fighting with the Greek people. And when one day they woke up and they come outside by opening the big gate, they find that there was no one into that coastal area. The whole area was deserted. The Greek burned their tents and they run away. They go away. And so it was very surprise for them. But they started enjoying that, because from last 10 years they didn't saw the coastal area, they didn't enjoy the beautiful scenery of the ocean, and so they started enjoying it. While wandering here and there on the coastal side, they find that at one corner there was a big horse was placing there, and it brings them so much surprise that why this type of beautiful horse was made by the Greeks and why they left it, because this is so much beautiful that why they didn't take it with them. This type of question arises them. And while looking towards and while watching this type of horse, they find that one man was hiding himself behind that horse and he was so much frightened. But that man was not frightened. That man was pretending to be a frightened and acting like a frightened man. And when that man was pulling outside from the legs of a horse, he says that don't kill me, don't kill me. He says that why you are the soldier of a Greek, we didn't kill you. So he says that Greek people started decide to kill me, and so I hide myself into the legs of that horse. So they say that why this type of, you say that they killed you, and why they prepare this type of beautiful horse and why they left it here. This type of questions they arise. At that time the man says that I didn't tell you the main reason why they built this type of horse and why I am here and in a frightened condition. But after scolding him and threatening him, he started telling the truth, and he says that this horse was made by Trojans, by Greek only for giving, sacrificing or worshipping it to the god of a sea. The Greek warriors are living here on the bank of that ocean, on that coastal area from last 10 years, and they live there very happily, and and ocean didn't trouble them. And so this is a sacrifice, this is a worship the God give is to the ocean, and for that they also decided to kill me also. But in the night time I hide here myself, and so they left away. It was my duty to drag that horse and give it to the ocean. It is said that if sea God accept their worship, the good omen will come into their country. And so they build this type of big horse. Again, the people of Troy asked this question, that why they not prepare a small horse? Maybe they prepare small horse, very easily they can put it into the ocean. But it is said that no, they expect that only the good omen will come into the Greek, not into the Troy, because this horse is so much big that the Troy people didn't drag it out into their house, and so they prepare this type of big horse, that the Trojans didn't drag that horse into their country, into their city. And when the people of Troy listen it, they become so much angry. They say that good omen must only come into their country. The good omen didn't go into the country of a Greek. And so decided to broke out the big and beautiful wall, which was strong one and which protected the Troy. But the wise priest warned him that not to break the wall. It's a great thing that he said that don't break the wall, because if you broke the wall, maybe the invaders will enter into the country and ruin the country, ruin your place, your city. And so the priest warned them, don't accept the proposal which was given to the people. But the Trojans become so much happy, and they thought that the Greek people only run away by finding out their bravery. And so they broke out the one part of their wall and dragged that big horse into their country. When they dragged the horse into their city, they started enjoying and celebrating it. Whole day they enjoy it and they celebrate it and they drank it, and in the night time they were going to the fast asleep. In night time, the persons who are hiding on that horse, they open the door of the stomach of that horse and come outside from it. And after that, they giving a signal to the persons, to the other members who are hiding behind that mountain into the oceanic mountain, and they come outside, and after that they were attack on it. All brave people is on the sleep, and they are in a very nice mood and happy moment. They enjoyed there, and the whole army entered in it and killed very badly the people who are lying there and who are sleeping in mood. The Greek people didn't give them a single time to woke it up and also to start fighting with them. They are in a very in a sleepy mode when they were very badly killed by the Greek people. And in that battle, the old king Priam was also killed. They take this type of all girls, all ladies, means the sister and wives of that great warriors as a slave, they take with them. So after some time, the King Menelaus find Helen. He forgave her and tell her to come to the Greek country, and after that the Helen accept it and return to the country. But after returning them, when they returned, they find that the whole Troy was ruined and come to an end. There was nothing left as a sign of a glory or progress there in it. The whole city was ruined, and the whole prosperous city was come to an end. Not a single sign of a prosperity was living there, and it was only done only because of the king, the the Prince Paris and Queen Helen, who eloped, and only because of that the last 10 years war was fought between Greek and Trojans, and it come to an end, end of the great and prosperous city Troy. Thank you.